Yo, everybody, how you guys doing? Israel the trader speaking right here. You know, let's get things started, man. All right. So we are about to trade live and direct with you guys now for the London session. So everybody is welcome on board, and you know, we're about to get things started. All right, guys, let's get it. Um, I was just trying to look on a couple of the pairs like this. All right, all right. So we got to get started right now. Um, okay. Sorry, let me just share the links in the channel and things like that before we continue. Right? It is very very important, guys. All right, all right. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm getting pumped right now, man. I'm getting pumped. So hope you guys are ready for the day. All right. Yo, man. So I'm just sharing the links and things like that to our channels and a lot of them like that. Okay, just share it right now. So I'm about to keep things rolling, man. Good morning, Israel. How you doing? Yeah, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. Thank you very much. Hope you are doing good. Hope you are doing good. All right, we're about to get things started. And me and my students, we are in CHF JPY. This was the second trade we took yesterday, and this was where we got into this trade. You know what I mean? This was where we got in. Our first take profit was triggered, and right now we are waiting for second take profit to be triggered. That's what we are waiting for right now in the premium and VIP ITT premium channel and VIP channel, right? So now I'm gonna mark out this level. So I'll mark this level out and see exactly what the market will do if it comes down for some certain moves right there, right? So now that's it. So yeah, I was checking at Euro JPY this morning, trying to check it out and see exactly what's gonna happen on Euro JPY, right? I was just checking on this morning, and you see that we have a lot of couple of confirmations for a buy. So now we gotta just wait a little bit in order for it to come down and retest on this before we can now buy it, right? And remember, if you are not sure of where the market will come and retrace, this is your Fibonacci retracement. You can still use it, right? So I'm expecting it to come down to this level, but according to Fibonacci retracement, you gotta come down to this level, right? But let's see what exactly is going to happen first before we decide to either get into this market or leave it and look out for some other pairs, right? So yeah, I was checking what do you call it, volatility 75 this morning as well, and you guys still remember when I did the analysis when the volatility 75 was around this area, right? It was around this zone. I said that the next target, the final target rather, is going to be around this zone, right? Let me just put it for you so that you can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's the last target or the final target I spoke about in our last live webinar, live what is it called, analysis, right? So now, since volatility 75 is at my key level, I'm expecting volatility 75 to sell from here, going down to where my final target is, to this point now, so that to complete this move before it might start to go back up to the upside again. So that's what I'm seeing on volatility 75 right now, guys. I'm expecting V75 to come down and sell to this point. I might sell V75 right now, so but let's see first. Let me have more signal confirmation. Though I'm having one or two confirmations right now, so I'm still waiting for more confirmations for me to get into this market, right? That's how I usually trade, guys. That's what I'm waiting for now on volatility 75. All right, so you see for Euro JPY is still coming back down again to retest this level. Let's wait for London market to open in order for us to start the trade. Because right now I'm still expecting Euro JPY to come down and retest this my previous trend line that got broken, right? So let's wait for it to do all this move in order for us to get into this market, right? So same thing goes with CHF JPY. I've told you that I got into this trade yesterday. I and my students, we got it. This was our second trade yesterday, right? So right now we are still in it, expecting the market to continue to push back up to the upside for now. And if I see that the market break out of this trend line, you see that I have my predictions right here already. So let's see what exactly is going to happen right on this CHF JPY as well. So let's just stay calm and be patient and wait for the market to give us the move that we want before we start to trade it, right? So yeah, guys, and I'm just greeting each and every one of you. Hopefully you guys are doing good, right? Hope you are wonderful and good. So yeah, I'm Israel the Trader, and you guys are welcome on board. So if today is the first time right here, I do live trading and things like that on here on YouTube, and also you got to join our free Telegram channel, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all of that. So yeah, if today's the first time here, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, because I do share a lot of good things here, and also I trade live and direct with you. So if you are Forex trader, or if you are upcoming Forex trader, you gotta join the ITT family, either the free version of it or the paid version of it. Anyone that you decide to choose, you can still be profitable in the Forex market. So yeah, guys, let's continue. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, as I said earlier on, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get things rolling, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me just read your comment first before we continue with what we are doing so far. Yeah, good morning, Israel. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Oscar, thank you very much for asking. When do you think USD JPY will retrace? USD JPY or Euro JPY? What are you talking about? Because use JPY, that's why you wrote there. But I think it is USD JPY, right? So yeah, we'll check about we'll check on USD JPY as well. You see that Euro JPY now comes back down to this level. So yeah, let's just wait for it. It might still come back down and retest this my previous trend line that got broken right here. So let me just show you something. It might decide to come down to this point before it will pick up again. So yeah, let's just wait for this move to happen before I will now get into this market for a buy. So right now we got about 26 minutes for this candle to close, and in order for us to be in London session, right? So once we are in a London session, we got to look out for some trade to trade in order for us to trade 1 or 2 pairs for the day, right? Because me personally, I take around 1 to 3 trades every day. 1 to 3. So at least 1 and at maximum of 3. That's me, and that's how I usually trade ever since I start trading, right? Not ever since I start trading anyway. Ever since I know what I'm doing in the Forex market. So that's how I usually do, guys. Let's just wait for some confirmations, then we execute our trade and trade it for the day or for the month, for the week, right? So yeah, for the week so far, we took around 2 trades. The first trade we took, it was GBP AUD yesterday. We took it live and direct here on YouTube, and we got about 115 pips. As you can see, 120 pips right here, right? So 120 pips, and that's just it. So this is our first trade of the day, of the week. And our second trade, which we took yesterday as well, it was CHF JPY, because I said that I do take 1 to 3 trades in a day, right? So yesterday we took about 2 trades, and both of them are in profit, right? So this is our second trade of the week, CHF JPY, right? And of course, I'm still expecting CHF JPY to continue to go to the upside. And also, the trade that I'm looking at right now for the day or for today, it is Euro JPY. I'm looking at Euro JPY right now and other pairs again in the market. So let's see how far this pairs will react to all of these analysis and things like that, right? So yeah, let's go down and check out USD JPY according to one of our member, right? The person is asking of USD JPY, and as you can see, this is USD JPY for our time frame right now. And let's go down to daily time frame and see exactly what's going on right here. So you see, this is the daily time frame, and what I'm seeing here is a breakout that happened. A breakout happened around this area, right? You see that? It was making a move to the downside, broke out here, retest, boom, continue to push back up to the upside right now. So now it's kind of it's a bit tricky at the moment. So we'll have gotten right around this area where the market retraced for long-term trade. You see that? The market retraced to this level and now boom, continue to push back up to the upside for around 400 and something pips. So right now, if the market is going to come down for another retracement, it might reach out to this level, but it's not going to come down to this level anyway, because I'm seeing a strong retracement that happened here. So it might come down to either of these two levels here. So remember, this is daily time frame anyway, so you can now use your Fibonacci retracement to check out where exactly the market is going to come down for retracement on this daily time frame. You guys see that it fall in between this my first rectangle line, right? You see that this is the 50%, so you will be expecting this USDJPY to come back down to this level or to this level for the retracement, right? So now what are you going to be looking out for is that you got to look out for where your key level is, right? You have to look out for the key level, and this is the first key level around that area on this daily time frame. And also we have to pull another key level around this zone, right? We have to shift it back up a little bit. Yep, around that area. So that's another key level. So you see that the market is approaching our resistance line, right, before it will start to come back down to the downside. So you see that now it can either come up to this level or it will just react to some certain points around this area before we can now see USDJPY to come back down for the retracement, right? So if you're a long-term trader or you're a swing trader like me, you can either wait for this daily time frame candle to close in about 14 hours, or you can go back down to 4-hour time frame and see exactly what the market is doing right here on this, right? So now something's getting interesting right here on this 4-hour time frame. I'm seeing that the market is giving me some sort of candlestick formation or candlestick confirmation in order for me to trade it all the way to where the market is going to go, right? Because right now you see that we plot these rectangles on the daily time frame, and you see how it correlates on this 4-hour time frame, right? It is perfect. It is perfect. You can call this perfect support or resistance, man, because it is perfectly in within this area or within this range, right? So now let's wait for this 4-hour candle to close. After this candle closes, you know, it's gonna give us something that we call evening star formation. So this candle, after it closes like this, it's gonna give us something that we refer as an evening star. An evening star, if you are one of our premium students right here, you know exactly how we trade an evening star in the market, right? If you trade divergence as well, you can use either your stochastic oscillator or all this RSI, right? But me personally, I don't trade divergence, and I don't use any indicator in the forex market. As you can see, I basically trade you know, I basically trade candlestick patterns and also price action, right? That's what I just trade and naked chart. So let's wait for this 4-hour candle now to close before we can determine if this is going to be a valid evening star formation, and our target is going to be right here around this area for about 190 pips. So that will be our final target on this trade. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on USDJPY. So most importantly, just wait for this 4-hour time frame candle to close. Once it closes, then it will determine where the market direction is going to go next. So just be patient and wait for this candle to close, guys. So yeah, if you have any question before we continue, you can just let me know if you have any questions so that I can just check it out for you as well. Yeah, that's my take on USDJPY. So let me know, guys, if you have any question right now before we proceed with other stuff, right? So as you are about to ask a question, let me go back down and check Euro JPY, and also, you know, I'll be checking at Euro USD. So this is Euro USD for our time frame right now. I'll be checking on it as well and see exactly what is going to happen on Euro USD. So most importantly, let's check out on Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY right now, and I was checking out daily time frame, I mean 1-hour time frame. So right now, let's wait for this 1-hour time frame candle to close and see exactly what is going to happen on this very trade, right? It is very important, guys. So let's see, man. Let's see. Just wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and let me check. Okay, all right. Yeah, it's kind of getting interesting on 15-minute time frame as well. Just let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to close, because yeah, I don't want to just get in early or things like that. So we have to have our full confirmation and make sure we follow our trading strategy and trading rules in order for us not to violate any single rule in the market, right? So let's wait for this candle to close, guys, in order for us to determine where the market direction is going to go next, right? So yeah, things are kind of getting interesting right now on all of these pairs and things like that. So yeah, okay, let me just tell you something about this trade. As you can see, this is a BCH Last time I kind of got into this trade, I informed you guys, right? The market was around here, so it was around price $327. That was where I bought this BCH yeah, BCH. So I bought it, and the market went up for around 700 and something dollars, but I'm still holding my trade. It is around the 530 something now, so I'm 200 dollars in profit on this. So I will not tell you how many BCH I bought. I'm planning to hold this for years to come, man, for years to come. And also, let me just show you my what else you call it, crypto portfolio. I'm in XRP as well. I bought XRP when it was let me check it out for you. Yeah, I bought XRP when it was around here, around 0.24. I bought it when it was around here. That was where I bought XRP. So now XRP is pushed back, pushed back up to around $1, but it's not yet $1. So but I bought right here, I'm in profit on XRP as well. I will not tell you how many XRP I bought as well. So right now, I'm even planning to buy Dogecoin. You know what I mean? So I'm planning to buy Dogecoin as well and hold it for long time, man. For long time. Okay, Doge USD. It's gonna be Doge USD. So yeah, you see that I made some sort of analysis yesterday, and I'm waiting for Dogecoin to come back down to this zone. After it comes back down to this zone, then this is where I'm going to buy a lot of Dogecoin, man. So even if it's $1,000 you invest in Dogecoin and hold it for maybe 10 or 20 years, it's gonna be a very perfect investment for you so far. Because let's say, for example, you invest sorry guys, I'm back again to investment stocks, right? Because I invest almost 80 or 90% of my money. I'm investing it, you know what I mean? So I'm serious about it. If you check my account balance, you gotta see nothing. So I'm investing almost all of my money. So I'm investing it, guys. So now, if let's say, for example, if you buy around 1,000 Dogecoin, let's say you just bought 1,000 Dogecoin, and Dogecoin reaches $1, then how much are you going to be having? 1 multiplied by this, you're not going to be having like $1,000. And let's say, for example, how much is 1,000 Dogecoin? Let me just calculate it so that you can understand exactly what I'm talking about, right? So let's take, for example, 1,000 Dogecoin is around $59 now. $59, so easy. How many profit is that's going to be? Or let's say, for example, you invest 1,000 USD in Dogecoin, and that's going to be giving you around 17,000 Dogecoin. You know what I mean? 17,000. It's going to give you 17,000 Dogecoin. And if you invest $1,000, right? And let's say Dogecoin reaches $1 maybe in 10 or 20 years, right? Then how much is that going to be for you? It's going to be $17,000. That's what you'll be having. And remember how much you invested? Just $1,000. And how many profit is that going to be? Around around 100 and is it hundreds? I cannot even say it. Around 1,600%. 1,600% profit. Come on, man. So yeah, you gotta think long term, and try as much as you can to invest some money in crypto, stock market, and things like that. I kind of, regarding stock market, I did not start investing in stock market. I basically invest in real estate and cryptos as of now. I invest in real estate and cryptos. So yeah, you gotta think long term, man. You gotta think long term. That's just it. You don't just make money and spend it. Nah, don't do that, bro. Of course, we spend money, but you know, you spend maybe 10 or 15% of your income. Spend it in a month. Okay, let's take for example, you are making $5,000 every month. Then you spend maybe 10 or 15% of that. Then invest maybe 50% or 60%. Then the remaining 25%, you can save it, right? Save 25, invest 60%, then spend 15%. You see that? You gotta be wise, man. You gotta be wise. Don't just act as if you are very rich or things like that. Nah, don't act rich, man. Don't spend like a rich. Come on, bro. You gotta spend like poor man or poor somebody and invest your money, right? Let them laugh at you. Let them laugh at you. You know, you are just investing what would bring a lot of profit to you, not you trying to impress people with your look, with your just all these financial stuffs and things like that. Don't impress people, man. Impress yourself and compete with yourself. It is very, very important. Compete with yourself. Don't impress people, guys. That just it. So yeah, USD JPY and Euro JPY correlated pairs. USD JPY and Euro JPY, they correlate negatively, guys. Negatively. Just think of that. They correlate negatively, not positively. If if Euro JPY is going up, USD JPY is gonna go back down to the downside. So that's how it is. Of course, don't just think of it. Okay, this Israel said that. Okay, they correlate negatively. If I buy Euro JPY, let me sell USD JPY. No, don't do that, man. You have to do your analysis and things like that on all of these things that we are saying in the market, right? So it is very, very important for you to know, guys. All right, man. All right. So yeah, that's my take on Dogecoin, all of this stuff. So you gotta invest, man. You gotta invest your money, even if it's not complete. At least 50% of your income, you are investing it. And if you like, you decide to spend 20% and save 30%. It's all up to you, right? So that's my just personal mindset and things like that. So it's all up to you, man. But a lot of my money right now goes into real estate, and some of them, goes into crypto and things like that. You have to diversify your sources of income, man. Diversify all of them. So today you are here, tomorrow you are there. You never know what is gonna happen, right? So split it into maybe 3 or 5. Then invest in different areas, right? Invest in real estate, stock market, crypto market. All of these stuff. Invest in that. But before you start to invest in all of this, make sure you know exactly what you are investing in, right? It is very, very important, guys. Before you start investment, make sure you invest in yourself first. Invest in yourself. Make sure you have idea of what you are investing in and have the basic or the advanced knowledge in that particular thing, so that you will not be you will not regret it later, all saying that, oh, I invest in these stuffs and now I lost my money. A lot of things like that do happen. But that's why I say make sure you have either basic or advanced knowledge of what you are investing in. Invest in yourself first before you start investing, right? It is very, very important, guys. All right, let's go back down to Forex. No more to talk about investing stocks, right? So let's just try to talk about it, man. All right, you see, Euro JPY is still on its way right now, coming back down for this retracement. So let's see where exactly this is gonna end, right? So let's just continue to wait for this 1 hour candle to close, because it's gonna close in about in about how many minutes now? In about 9 minutes now. So it's gotta close. Let's wait for it to close, man. All right. So yeah, and let's check USD JPY as well. USD JPY. All right. This is USD JPY, and you guys can see USD JPY is trying to give us that confirmation of the market is gonna continue to sell. So right now, I say let's wait for it to let's wait for this candle to close first before we can determine where exactly this USDJ price is gonna go, right? So now USD card, yeah, USD card is still trying to push back down as well. USD CHF, you see USD CHF is trying to give us that move as well. Yeah, it's kind of getting interesting anyway. Let me see something. Daily time frame. All right. Yeah. Oh, nah. There's nothing much interesting on USD CHF right now. Let's just wait for it and see exactly what is going to happen. Alright guys, so yeah, if today's the first time here, man, you gotta subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends and family, right? It is very, very important, guys. Card JPY as well is kind of getting interesting, but let's wait for it to come down for retracement to this level. And also, let me just confirm it with my Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, it will come down to that level. That's just it, man. So it will come down here before it will continue to go back up. So let's wait for it to come down for this retracement, man. And before we can consider it, if the market is going to continue to go back down or going to continue to go back up, right? So the retracement is going to happen for around 100 and something pips. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on this, man. So yo guys, let's see. Let me see what is gonna happen. Okay, somebody is saying rich uncle. Okay, rich uncle. All right, come on, man. Penny box, penny box. All right, is USDJ Euro JPY? Okay, all right. I've answered that question. Zenon is saying, do you think it's too late to invest in XRP? Nah, it's not. It's not too late, man. This is the right time to start if you are trying to invest. This is the right time to start. Right now, it is the right time to start investing in any cryptocurrency. Apart from Bitcoin, man. Apart from Bitcoin, Bitcoin right now is just flying to the upside. You know what I mean? So you gotta just stay away from Bitcoin for now because. Oh my goodness, I can't even explain what exactly is going to happen to Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now is crazy at the moment, boy. It's crazy. So you got to stay away from Bitcoin a little bit. Wait for it to come down for some sort of retracement before you can say, oh, I got to buy this and things like that. So that's just it, man. That's just it. But like I said earlier on, this is the right time for you to invest, man. Yeah, John is saying, morning, boss. Yeah, how are you doing, bro? Thank you very much for being here. Do you think it's an alright time to buy XRP? Yeah, for sure, man. I'm even I got it. I will still buy XRP, Dogecoin, and BCH. I'll still buy them. I'll buy more and add it, keep it, and wait for years to come. And by the grace of God, if we are still alive, I gotta let you know. Okay, see, now we are here, and this is the investment that we made maybe 10 years ago or things like that. If we are still alive. By God's willing, right? And of course, we'll still be alive by then, by faith, right? So that's just it, guys. And also, let's go back down to our business. All right, man. Yeah, you can also invest in Ethereum. You can invest in Ethereum and things like that. But the one I choose right now is BTC and BCH USD and XRP, also on Dogecoin. That's just it. So yeah, like I was saying, this dude is gonna come back down to this point, right? Which is volatility 75. All right, let me check out for some trade and see exactly what we can trade for the day or for the week. All right, let's wait for this candle to close as well. Yeah, this guy is kind of getting interesting, man. Yeah. Let's wait for this to close and so that we can trade it. But let me plot my trend line first and see exactly what is happening on this. So it got broken. Come on, bro. We gotta trade this. Let's wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So yeah, I'm planning to buy AUD card And I'll be risking, how many pips is this gonna be? Oh, I'll be risking around 50 something pips anyway. Yep, I'll be risking around 50 something pips. Um, yeah, around 60 pips. Let's see. Yeah, around 50 something pips. So let's see what exactly is gonna happen after um, this candle close. And also, I think something was getting interested in on NZD card. Yeah, this is NZD card right now. So something goes with this, and let's wait for it to this one candle to close as well. Now, I gotta put it right here, not from that top. Gotta put it right from here. I gotta put my trend line from here, guys. So yeah, you see that it's breaking out. If you go down to the smaller time frame, you know what I'm talking about. You see that? So now, what am I gonna do right here? I'm gonna do something like this. So let's see where this is gonna come back down for this retracement before I get in on NZD card as well. So this is NZD card right now. Let's see what is gonna happen on this. If I see that the market comes back down for this retracement to this point, you know, gotta buy it from here and ride it all the way to the upside. But we can still see a bullish momentum right here without this complete retracement to this point, right? You know, at times it does happen, but let's see. Or I will calculate how many pips is this, around 13 pips. We can still risk 13 or 11 pips and just get into the market. But let's see, I wait for this retracement to get a perfect entry to ride it all the way to the upside, right? Let's just wait for it, guys. It is very, very important. So let's see what is going to happen on this, man. Let's see what is going to happen. I'll monitor this trade. Let's check out EuroJPY. All right, EuroJPY is still coming back down to test this level. Let's just wait for it to finish all of these moves, guys. It is very, very important. All right. So let's just wait and continue to wait for all of these confirmations. Once I see that I have a lot of confirmations, and of course I will not tell you the whole confirmation that I will be having on all of this trade. So then we gotta get in and ride it to where I'm expecting the market to continue to go, right? As you can see, NZD card is coming back down for the retracement. Then I'll get back in and ride it all the way to where my final take profit is gonna be. And of course the take profit is gonna be around this area, and it's gonna be for 130 pips. 130 pips, that's where my target is gonna be on this NZD card 1 hour time frame as well. So let's see what is going to happen, guys. Let's just wait for some minutes. So yeah, 1 hour candle is about to close in 1 minute. You know, let me get some water and take it first. All right, guys. So yeah, like I said earlier on, please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Say, hey Israel, please, I don't understand this, I don't understand that, and things like that. Or if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze, you know, you can just ask me and say, please Israel, can you just analyze so pair, you know, I'll be happy to analyze it for you. You know what I mean? Sorry, I was kind of taking some water, right? So that's it, man. That's it. We are waiting for all of these things to happen now in order for us to get into this market and ride it to where I'm expecting it to go, right? So yeah, okay. 1 hour candle has been closed, and you know, it's kind of getting interesting now. Let's get into this market, man. Let's get in right now. It is the right time to get in. So yeah, I'm buying it. I'm buying NZD card. I'm buying NZD card, guys. Yup. I'm buying NZD card. So I don't know about you if you are buying NZD card as well, but me personally, I gotta buy it right away. So checking on my accounts, and let's see how I can buy NZD card. NZD card, alright. Gotta buy NZD card anyway. So yep, trade, yeah, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, I bought NZD card right now. Boom, I bought NZD card, guys, and I bought it around price 0.90284. I mean NZD card buy. So let me go back down to 1 hour time frame and see where I bought it. Around price 0.90284. 284. Yup, that's where I bought it. So let me set my stop loss, take profit, and things like that. 284. Alright, that's my entry points on NZD card right now. So I will be risking 40 pips to make around 120 pips. Yeah, to make around 120 pips on this. So yup, I'll be making 120 pips on these guys. Let me check something out anyway. Boom, like that. Then remember to risk 1 to 3% of your account size, guys. Remember to risk 1 to 3% of your account size. So I gotta screenshot this for now so that I can save it for later, right? I'm risking 40 pips, guys. You can see down here, I'm risking 40 pips. That's where my stop loss is. So 40 pips to make 120 pips, it is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So it is 1 to 3, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 3. So if you are risking 1%, you'll be making 3% of your account. If you risk 2%, you'll be making 6% of your account. If you risk 3%, you'll be making 9% of your account. So that's how this trade is right now. So you gotta know what you are risking on this so that you know exactly how much you're going to be making if the market finally hits our final target, right? So yup, I had this analysis for some while now. So I just got in on this, trying to clear all of these guys. So yeah, I'm in NZD card buy right now. So don't mind all of this, some sort of this retracement to the downside and things like that. So this is where I got in. So in some sort of drawdown for some, just for some some minutes. Let's see. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. I think we'll monitor this trade on 15 minutes time frame as well, like yesterday. So I'll put everything right here, the data for stop loss, take profit, and things like that, guys. I'll put it right here as well. Just exercise some patience. But let me just put the entry points so that you can understand exactly where I got it. This is my entry points now. So that's my entry point. Now I will not write saying that entry point, right? That's it. So this is my entry point. And okay, I gotta save this, man. Did I even save it? Let me just save this. So that I'll find it very easy to do before and after later on. Yep, got it. I've saved it now. So yeah, all right, before I set all of these stop loss, take profit and things like that, let me inform my students and tell them that okay, I'm in so pair, so that maybe in case if all of them are not here, right, some of them might not be here. So let me inform each and every one of you guys. So yeah guys, if you are not yet our students, you gotta join, man. I bought NZD card around price 0 points. What was my entry, man? 0, okay, 0.90284, 0.90284. That's my entry point. I'm risking 40 pips. I'm risking 40 pips on this trade, guys, and I inform each and every one of you, right? So live and direct, we took this buy on NZD card right now. So yeah, you can buy NZD card, guys. I'm in it already. So yeah, it is a time for us to set our stop loss, take profit and things like that. So it is what it is, man. And right here, it's gonna be our stop loss for about 40 pips. I'm gonna say stop loss for negative 40 pips, man. That's what I'm risking on this trade. That's it. And now I will set first TP. So this is my entry point. First TP is gonna be right here for 30 pips. So let me take profit, stop loss and things like that, guys, before I continue with all of the remaining things, right? It's very, very important. So let's see. My entry point 0.90284. Then it is NZD card buy, stop loss and take profit updates. My stop loss is around price 0.89, 0.89880. That's the stop loss, which is for 40 pips. Then first TP is around price 0.90, 0.90585. Then second TP is gonna be 0 points, which is gonna be for 50 pips, 0.90783. Then final take profit, which is 420 pips, 120 pips. Alright, that's the final TP, which is around price 0.91488, 91488. Then it is 120 pips. So yep, stop loss, take profit and things like that has been updated. So I just sent it to premium channel. Now I will send it to VIP channel. Boom, send it to VIP channel. So now I will send it to free Telegram channel. Boom, there you go. I've sent everything to our free Telegram channel, VIP channel and premium channel. So right now, let me go there and copy all of this so that I can come and post it right here so that you too can understand exactly what I'm talking about, right? So that's it, and I will increase it to like that, and I'll put it right here, pin it. Now let me put first TP, second TP and things like that. Copy text and I'm gonna put it right here. Boom. Now all of this gotta go, and entry points and things like that gotta go as well. So now I will reduce to 24. Now hopefully you guys can see it, right? Okay. Where can I put this, man? I know what to do. Gotta bring this down, put this around this area, and pin it, lock it rather. Then gotta put this somewhere around here. Let me edit this anyway. Add price. Okay, so that I can shorten it. Add price this. Nah, still yet, man. Come on, bro. What's going on? Gotta shift this to this side and make it to this point, you know. Can I put this, man? Anyway, you'll be able to understand this. So let's leave it this way. I think it's quite okay now. Yeah, it's coming back down for retracement again. You know, just forget about all of these moves, guys. Forget about it. This is just some sort of fake out on all these stuffs. Gotta go back up after this choppy market, right? Just see the market like that, and take it as part of the move, right? Take it as part of the move, man. Come on, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. So yeah, let me mark out the first CP and things like that as well. First CP is around price 90585. 90585 586. Anyway, the same as 585. That's the first TP. Second TP is around 0.90783. 781. Nah, let it be 787. Yeah. Then final TP, which is here. Boom. There we go. So now I'm gonna say first TP here. First TP for, which is gonna be for plus 30 pips, man. Nah, 30 pips, and okay, I will reduce this to 24. And the next thing is second TP, which is for how many pips? Second TP for which is for, come on, what am I doing? 50 pips. Then final TP, which is for 120 pips. Final TP for 120 pips. Yup. Come on, everybody. There we go. So that's all it. Now you are seeing it live and direct, guys. So yeah. So NZD card buy right now, take profit, stop loss, and things like that is ready. And you know, so let's see how far this trade is gonna go. So this is our first trade of the day, and this is our third trade of the week, right? Yesterday we took about 2 trades, and first hit our final take profit for 111 pips, and the second one hit our first take profit for 30 pips, and right now it's around 40 something pips in profit and things like that, you know. So now we are in NZD card buy, and this is the first and third, yeah, the first trade for the day, and this is the third trade for the week, right? So let's see what exactly is gonna happen this week, man. All right, like I said earlier on, that you know, I'm back live and direct with you guys, and I will monitor each and every trade that we are taking right now in the forex market, right? So it is very, very important for you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family, guys. So yeah, that's very, very good. All right, man, let's get it, let's get it. So yep, we are here trading live and direct with you guys. So let's see what exactly is gonna happen right here. Yo, man. All right, let's get it, let's get it. CHF JPY broke through support. What is your outlook? Okay, all right. Somebody's saying, do you think it's an all right? Okay, I think I've answered those questions. Somebody's talking about CHF JPY as well. CHF JPY. What's happening on CHF JPY, man? What's happening on CHF JPY? Come on, is that CHF JPY? Okay, CHF JPY. Yeah, CHF JPY is pretty okay, man. It's pretty good. You know, there's nothing bad on CHF JPY. It's pretty good. I'm still holding my trade, man. Come on, everybody. Stop kidding me. I'm still holding my trade right now. I think Euro JPY is supposed to start to buy as well. Let's check Euro JPY. Come on, everybody. I missed it again. Oh my goodness. I missed CHF Euro JPY. Anyway, let's just continue with our NZD card for now. But missed entry point. See where I'm supposed to get in. This is where you see this level, this yellow line. This is where I'm supposed to get in on on this Euro JPY. But I missed it. It is what it is. Now it's in 16 pips in profit. Come on, everybody. It is what it is. Missed it, I'll leave it, man. So I'll wait for breakout to happen again around this area. Once it broke to the upside, I will look out for some sort of entry point again. Else, it will still come back down to retrace this to this level before it will go back up to the upside. So let's see what is going to happen on Euro JPY, guys. Let's just see. Let's just see. So let's go back down to NZD card. And okay, NZD card right now is trying to misbehave. So let's see. Let's see. Of course, it's gonna go back up to the upside, man. But let's see what exactly is gonna happen. It's still playing around our entry point right now, so it's still at break even. But we've already missed the Euro JPY, man. But it is what it is. It does happen in the market. It does happen, guys. So yeah, we'll still look out for entry points on this anyway. Let's see what exactly is going to happen. Let's just continue to watch and watch. CHF JPY. I'm still in it. So yeah, you see, if you miss CHF JPY, you can still get into CHF JPY as well. You see, my final take profit is around this area for 60 pips. So I'm still on it, guys. I'm still on it. Come on, everybody. NZD card, come on, man. NZD card is trying to go back down again for retracement to retest this level. But let's see what is going to happen. No panicking, guys. No panicking. No need to panic. It's still around break even. How many pips are in negative? Negative 2 pips right now, so no need to panic. This dude as well is still playing, which is volatility 75. So let's continue to wait and see exactly what is going to happen, guys. So this is the first trade we are in for the day. So maybe we'll take our second trade during during New York session, or if we see a potential entry point on EuroJPY, we'll still get it on EuroJPY as well. So let's see what exactly is going to happen. Let's just see, guys. So if EuroJPY breaks out of this, it's going to continue to push back to the upside. So yeah, like I said earlier on, that if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze, you can just let me know down in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. Then I will let you know what I'm thinking about it, right? Or what I'm saying about it, not even what I'm thinking. What I'm saying on it. So that's just it. Yeah, this dude is gonna continue to go to the upside, man. And GBP 80 has hit our final take profit anyway, so no need for us to be checking GBP 80. You see, it hit our final take profit here yesterday. Now it's trying to play around this zone, trying to come back down for another retracement again. Let's see what is going to happen on this again, and maybe we might still get in. But right now, it's forming what we refer as a head and shoulders pattern. It might fall back down to the downside. So let's see what is going to happen. If it eventually breaks out of this neckline, then it's going to continue to go back down to the downside, maybe to this point again. So right now, this is perfect head and shoulders formation on this dude. Come on, what am I doing? So this is it, like this. You are seeing this, right? That's the head. That's another right shoulder. So you see that? Head and shoulders formation on this. That's another confirmation for a sell. So let's see what is going to happen around this neckline. Alright, guys, but we took our 120 pips yesterday. So we are safe on that. We don't care whatsoever is happening on that at the moment. So this is GBP CHF, and this is 15-minute time frame anyway. So let's see. But let's go back down to NZD card. So NZD card is back again in profit. So we are in profit on NZD card. Let's see what is going to happen if it will go and hit our first TP and second TP, and possibly our final take profit, right? So I'll continue to monitor this trade so that I can just be letting you know, guys, what exactly is going on this, right? It is very, very important. So let's see, man. All right, guys. See, guys, not need for you to be trading everything in the market. Stay consistent. You can trade 1 or 2 pairs in a day or in a week. It's kind of okay. But if you're trying to trade everything, okay, any pair that you see in the market, you trade it. Come on, bro. That's not gonna make you be a profitable trader or things like that. You gotta just focus on 1 or 2 trade in a day. You know what I mean? So like me personally, I trade anything that I see in the market, and any pair, I trade any pair that I like the setup on it. I don't have any specific pair to say, okay, this is my pair, this is ITT pair. No, come on, man. We trade everything in the market. Cryptocurrency, stock market, anything that you can think at all. But I kind of stop trading CFD and indices, right? Which is volatility 75, US 30, NASDAQ, all of these stuff. It's kind of volatile, so I don't want my my students to focus on those trades as well, because it can never teach you a very good risk management. Never. It will not teach you a good risk management, rather than to just create a mindset of you, okay, saying that I will make $10,000, 20,000. You know, all of this money. That's what all of these volatile pairs will create in your mind. You know, and that's very bad if you are starting out to trade forex. You got to start with very good risk management, man. So that's just it. So right now, this what does it call it? This NZD card is kind of going good so far, since this has broken out of this and trying to push back up to the upside right now. Let's see, and we continue to hold our trade for now. Let's see what is going to happen, guys. This is London session live and direct. So yeah, I did not inform this my Instagram and things like that. So let me just trying to inform them that, hey guys, we are live and direct on YouTube, right? That's how it is, man. It is very, very important because I don't want them to miss, so that they can just join us. Yo, hi guys. Now today again we are live and direct on YouTube. You guys see that we are in NZD card buy right now on this. We are bullish on it, so you gotta join the live YouTube trading, right? Or live forex trading on YouTube right now. Just swipe up. You gotta join and be part of it. You see, this is the live chart and things like that right now. It's a live view, live everything, you know. So we are live and direct on YouTube right now. You gotta join us. See you soon. All right, that was for Instagram anyway. So if you are thinking, oh, what Israel is saying again, you know, I will try to make it for Instagram, trying to encourage them and things like that. So let me share it on Instagram, man. So yup, I will share it with them. Boom, sharing it with them. That's just it, man. All right, try to put the links and everything so that they can join us. It is very, very important. What am I about to do? Okay, all right. Let's see. Swipe up, man. You gotta swipe up in order to join, right? So now, yeah, let me complete this so that we can continue with our trade. So that we can continue with our trade, guys. Let me just update them. I don't want anybody that follows ITT to, you know, to miss out on some stuffs, man. That's why I have to share all of these stuffs with them, because it is very, very important, man. It is very, very important, so that's why I do share all of this stuff, guys. All right. So gotta see. You have to swipe up before you can join, so gotta go back down here, put the link. You have to swipe up as well before they can join. All right, yep, done. Sent. So yeah, just quick note, guys, if you are not following us on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, you know, you gotta start to follow us right now so that you can be part of the ITT family, right? It is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So you gotta join us right now, and let's eat together. Let's eat, guys. Come on, what am I doing? Trying to get rid of this, but I'm deleting something else. So yeah, that's just it. Let's wait for this move to happen. But I think the move is not kind of volatile right now. It's just trying to do all of this rubbish. You know what I mean? But it will continue to push to the upside, man. No need to be scared of anything. Don't be scared of nothing in the market, guys. It is very, very important. Let's get it, man. All right. Let's go. Are you guys enjoying this trade so far? Let me know if you are enjoying the trade, because I have to know if you are really enjoying it, right? If you are not enjoying it, you know, that means it doesn't make sense for me wasting my time here trading with you live and direct, right? So now, guys, okay, somebody is saying Euro GBP, please. You know, Euro GBP, I'll check it out, man. Ken is saying I already in a buy in Euro GBP. I'm already in a buy on Euro GBP. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna check Euro GBP out. Let's see what is gonna happen. But Euro GBP is not gonna buy, man. It's not gonna buy. Okay, you see that? It's not gonna buy, man. Nah. Don't buy Euro GBP. Don't buy Euro GBP. You see this? There was a time that I say it's gonna sell from here. You see that boom sold for how many pips? Sold for around 190 pips. Came back up for retracement. Now going back down for sell again. Don't buy Euro GBP right now. Don't buy Euro GBP, guys. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. That's it. Don't buy Euro GBP for now. And of course, if you are seeing that Euro GBP is gonna buy or whatever, you know, you can still buy it. But me personally, I'm saying don't buy it. I am saying that don't buy it, so it is what it is if you buy it. And that's just your opinion on it, right? But me personally, I'm not interested in buying this pair for now. Let's check out our Euro JPY and see what is happening on that. Okay, Euro JPY right now is still okay. Yeah, this is what I was saying, guys. This is what I was saying that Euro JPY will still come back down for retracement, and you know, if it did not break out of this, right now it's coming back down for this retracement. So let's see what exactly is going to happen around this area before we start to buy this, man. Before we start to buy this, so let's check our NZD card, because that's the trade that we are in at the moment. So you see NZD card is still pushing back up, and how many pips is it in profit? We are around 5 pips in profit right now. So 5 pips in profit. Let's see how far this trade is gonna go, right? Let's see how far this trade is gonna go. We are continuing to monitor this trade, man. I personally will monitor this trade for you. So let's see, guys. That's my job here. That's my job here. So let's see. So somebody is saying Karim Rahmani. Yeah, Karim Rahmani is saying hi. Yeah, hi, bro, sister. You know, I don't know if you are male or female. So how are you doing? Thank you very much for checking on us. Yeah, just a quick reminder, guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. It is very important, guys. So make sure you do that in order for you to support the channel. Support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel as well. It is free of charge, doesn't take you anything. Just take a couple of seconds for you to press the like button, press the subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. Whenever time we come back live and direct on YouTube, you'll be notified by YouTube saying, oh, Israel the Trader is live, or he has uploaded some videos and things like that, right? So let's get it, man. Somebody saying, hello sir, do you mind sharing your outlook on gold? We can still share gold, whatsoever we have seen on gold. All right, let me check out gold, which is XAUSD, and it's gonna be for CFD one there. Yeah, gold is gonna buy for some time. Let me see 1 hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, wait for gold to break out of a trend line. You see this? There's a trend line here. I'm seeing trend line right at this level. I'm seeing trend line here. So you gotta wait for gold to break out of it. You see this trend line? So you gotta wait for gold to break out of this, come up to this level and retest before you can expect it to go up to the upside. But right now, gold can go back down to the downside to this point from that level. So wait for breakout, else gold might fall back down again to this point. But right now, what I'm seeing on gold is it might break out of this trend line and retest again before it will go back up to the upside. So this is it. Boom, like this, or it might come down to this point before it will go back up to the upside, right? So wait for gold to break out, retest, and continue to push back up to the upside in that area, right? So it is very, very important, guys. All right, man. All right. So that's just my take on gold, and that's just it. So somebody is saying, oh, okay, yeah, I've answered that question about gold. So yeah, if you have any question about gold, you can let me know. And Karim is saying, I am a man from Iraq. All right, man. Wow, that's very good. How is Iraq, man? Hope everything is good, is doing good there. And I wish you a very good, profitable week, man. And thank you very much for checking on us today. Hopefully you share our channel with your fellow traders in Iraq, right? I can't wait to be in Iraq, man. I gotta visit Iraq as well. Well, let's see how far all of this will go, right? All right, so let's go back down to our NZD card and see exactly what is going on that. NZD card is still in profit. It's still in profit. So let's see what is going to happen on NZD card, guys. Let's continue to monitor our trade. I'll be watching this trade right here on NZD card. So let's see what is going to happen on this. So what is happening is trying to create this dodgy formation, right? Let's see, man. I'm seeing it anyway. Okay, somebody is saying, hi Israel, great job. What do you think about USDJPY? All right, I did analysis of USDJPY earlier on, but I will still check it out for you so that you can just understand if the market is about to get down to the downside or things like, oh, come on, man. I'm waiting for 4-hour candle to close. Remember what I said earlier on? I say let's wait for 4-hour candle to close on this. That's what I said earlier on. So it's going to close in 1 hour 19 minutes. 1 hour 19 minutes. That 4-hour candle will close. So right now, you see what exactly happened. We'll have got it right at this level, at where this retracement made. So now let's just wait for it for that 1 hour candle to 4-hour candle to close before we can now look out for some sort of entry point again in order for us to get in on this very trade as well. So it is very, very important for us to wait for this, guys. Let's just continue to wait and wait. But my bias on this is a sell. It might sell to the downside for this retracement. From here, it might sell to this point. Let me do it for you. I sell to this point for around this 170 pips. So that's 170 pips move if the market eventually close uh, this 4 hour candle this way, right? Let's just wait for it, guys. That's what I said on USD JPY earlier on. So if you got any question, you can let me know. You can let me know before we continue with today's trade, man. You can let me know, guys. All right, all right. So that's it. Let me go back down to my NZD card because that's the trade that I'm in right now, and I have to monitor it and see exactly what is going on it, right? So you see that it's still I'm making all of this move. So yeah, let's just exercise some patience, guys, and wait for all of this. Now let me go back down and see what you guys are saying in the live chat section. So somebody is saying, okay, Beast Gaming is saying, hi, have you analyzed the Euro NZD? If yes, I'll go back in video. If not, please analyze it. All right, I think I did not analyze the Euro NZD. I haven't checked Euro NZD today anyway. Let me check out Euro NZD. This is Euro NZD right now. So you see Euro NZD, there was a time that I'm in a sell right here. I say it's gonna sell, and I sold it. You see now, boom, pushed back down to the downside. So that's how we do it for around almost 600 pips, man. So right now, Euro NZD is just making some sort of moves, but I'm seeing that Euro NZD will still come back down to the downside for about 290 pips. That's my take on Euro NZD, but most importantly, let me tell you what exactly is gonna happen. This is for our time frame anyway. So you see this area here, from here like this, you see that you have to wait for it to get broken in order for you to determine where this is gonna go, right? Wait for this to get broken like this, and like this. Yup. So you see that? Wait for this to get broken. But we'll have got it right here, man. Come on. You see all of this? What do you... Oh my goodness. You know, if you're a premium student right here, you will know what exactly I'm talking about, man. Because I do teach you how to trade all of these formations if you have them in the market, right? So that's it. Now, wait for this to break. After this level get broken, definitely it's going to continue to push back down to the downside. So this is what I'm seeing on USD, Euro NZD, on Euro NZD. So from here, got to go back down to the downside, and this is where the final target is going to be. You see that? But you'll be risking around 70 pips, something like that. Of course, it's supposed to be here, but that's too much, man. Or around 70 pips. That just it. Sorry, guys. Excuse me for some minutes. All right. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, I'm coming. Um, yeah. So that's my take on NZD. I mean, a Euro NZD. So wait for it to break out of the structure before it will now go back down to the downside, and that's another key level right there. So yep. So that's my take on Euro NZD, guys. And let me check out what you guys are saying. Somebody saying, is GBP NZD card negatively correlated? You know, I don't even recommend for you to go and focus on GBP NZD. GBP NZD is irregular, you know, so it doesn't move either way. So it doesn't, you know, doesn't just obey the rules. So that's just it. And somebody is saying, just joined her about VIX 75, just a quick one. You know, I did analyze volatility 75. So this is my take on V75. You know, I say it's going to come back down again to this point. So you have to just monitor this trade and things like that. So let's go back down to NZD card so that we can understand exactly what's happening on that as well. So NZD card right now is still playing around this area. So you see that it has retested this. I think EuroJPY will have come back down and retest some levels again. Okay, so you see what EuroJPY did now. So let's just wait for it to come to give us another confirmation of a buy so that we can buy this pair again. So let's just wait for it, guys, in order for us to get in and trade it. Right, it's all the way to where our take profit is going to be. And of course, you can still use your Fibonacci retracement to understand exactly where the market is going to continue to move. You see that it's rejecting 50% of this, came down to retest this 61%. So right now, let's wait for this. Though this one is 30-minute time frame anyway, let's go back to 1 hour. So this 1 hour time frame, and now we can use our Fibonacci retracement on this 1 hour time frame. You see that it has rejected this 50% on 1 hour time frame. So boom, now you know we can just wait for it to close. After it closes, it's gonna continue to go back up to the upside, right? So let's just wait for it, exercise some patience while this move happens in the market. So now let me go back down to NZD card. And also, if you have any question regarding volatility 75, the person that was asking a question about it, you can still ask. But I've already done the analysis on this V75. And also, if you are just a new trader and you're trying to trade volatility 75, I recommend you not to focus on V75 because that pair is very, very volatile and it will just make you to continue to lose your money, and it is not good for you to continue to lose your money. So it's very important for you to just maybe focus on currency pairs. After understanding how to trade currency pairs, then you can come back down to trade volatility 75 and all of these stuffs. It is very, very important for you guys to do all of these things. So make sure you follow, you know, our tips and tricks so that you can just be a profitable trader as well. So this is NZD card right now. Now it's pushing back up to the upside. So you see what I mean? Now you see this our first take profit. So NZD card right now is trying to go back up to where we are expecting it to move to. Right now, still moving. Let's wait, man. Let's wait for it to come and hit our first take profit before we can now say, okay, it's gonna continue to move in our favor. Right? It is very, very important for us to be patient and wait for these things to happen, guys. If you still have any question, you know, you can just let me know, and I'll answer your questions right away. Sorry guys, give me just some few minutes. I'll be back soon. Alright guys, sorry, I was kind of doing something. So now we are here. This is the NZD card, and still pushing back up to the upside, right? So I went up for about 16 pips. Now what am I going to do is I'm going to mark out this level again, so I'll just keep it at the back of my mind. Just mark it out and see exactly what is going to happen now. But let me just check out Euro JPY and see what's happening on it. Okay, you see that Euro JPY finally trying to come back down and retrace to this level. So now let's see what is going to happen. This is a 50-minute time frame. Now this is 1 hour time frame anyway. So now let's see what is going to happen on this. Since it has broken out, so we have to wait for some sort of confirmations before we get in on this trade, man. Before we get in on it. So let's see what is going to happen. And let's just continue to monitor our trade, which is the NZD card, and see exactly how far it's moving, right? So you see that it's still moving right now. And also, you know, yeah, that's just it. So we're supposed to do like 2 hours here, but we just made about 1 hour 37 minutes. So I think I'll just manually be updating you guys about this trade and things like that. I'm about to engage myself in doing some stuff right now. So later on, I'll update you on how far we've gone so far with this trade, so that you guys can just see how far it is. Alright, if you have any question, you can ask now before I continue. Else, if there's no question, you know, I wish each and every one of you a very good and profitable day and the week as a whole, right? So yeah, I'll just continue to monitor this trade, guys. Then I will see you during New York session. Maybe we'll still go back live and direct during New York session, not London session anyway. All right. So that's just it, guys. I'm still Israel, and I'm signing out. So have a nice day.